And it is an interesting semi-final. It does include the 2025 champs Class 1 girls 200 champion Jodian Daly. She represented Hydel, but she forego her final year of eligibility and hasn't looked great the few times I've seen her this season. There's the lineup. And Daly is to be in lane number 4. Angel Stewart, well, let's go from lane number 8. That's Michaela Gordon of Herbert Morrison. Angel Stewart of Holy Childhood in lane number 7. Sashana Johnson, 4th in the 100 final last night. More a 200-400 runner, has gone 100-200 here with Natrece East of Wilma's, 3rd in the 100 last night. The Carifta Games bronze medalist at this event, going in lane number 5. So no Jodie and Daly.
Yeah, lots of injuries. Recovery has not been well for her, but again,
on your
marks, see how she goes about this summer. Getting better, but on track, we have Johnson and East, the Jamaica 2-3 this year. East are second fastest at 200 meters, 23:39, with Johnson just behind her at 23:51.
Yeah, there's a point I want to raise after this race. There's Natrece East.
Set.
Carifta silver medalist in the 200 meters, bronze medalist at 100 meters. Off they go. Sashana Johnson is running very well for Hydel. Runs a nice smooth curve, but East catches up to her. And Ease is down the home stretch. East doesn't want to go too fast here. Knows 3 to go through. And Johnson, setters behind her, decides not to engage. 24-25. Not doing more than they need to do, because they know the second place is up for grabs come the final tomorrow. And they want to be on that plane to contest an individual event at the World Under-20 Championships.
Yeah, smart running there from Johnson. Doesn't take on East in the home stretch, because East had a very good turn, the best part of her race, and now East shuts it down and Johnson follows suit. Closing in the last stages, Angel Stewart, so she gets through. But East and Johnson bouncing through, first and second. And as you rightly said, Ricardo, as it stands now, second place spot is up for grabs in that final, because Shanoya Douglas looks untouchable. But the Wolmerian comes through to take this second semi-final.
She doesn't just look untouchable, she has been untouchable this season. 24-29 for East Sashana Johnson, 24-47, negative 2.8 meters per second. The wind speed, Angel Stewart gets through as well at 25-23.